Question number 2. Two students created models of the same building. One student used a scale factor of 3 centimeters equals 15 meters. The second student used a scale factor of 4.5 centimeters equals 15 meters. The height of the original building is 20 meters. What is the difference? That means I'm going to subtract between the heights of the two students' models. So I know that I have my original building, and the height here is 20 meters. I know that I have two models, and I don't know what their heights are. But I do know that student 1 used a scale of 3 centimeters equals 15 meters. And then I know that student 2 used 4.5 centimeters equals 15 meters. So remember how Miss Manning likes to draw her tables just to kind of keep me straight. And because there's two different models, I'm drawing two different tables. So 3 centimeters to 15 meters. I know that I'm going to be multiplying by 5. So I know in the height of the original is 20. And I need to know what this is. So if I'm multiplying by 5, what times 5 will give me 20? So 5x equals 20. I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides. X equals 4. So this is going to be 4 centimeters is going to be the height here. Okay, now in the next one, I've got 4.5 centimeters to 15 meters. So I need to figure out what times 4.5 will give me 15. So if I do that, I'm going to say, what times 4.5 will give me 15? I'm going to divide by 4.5. I'm going to divide by 4.5. X equals, and if you did this in your calculator, you probably get something like 15 divided by 4.5. You get 3.333, which is 3 1/3. And if you can change that to a mixed number if you want to. 3 times 3 is 9, times plus 1 is 10. Remember, we do that. So this would be times 10 over 3. So I'm multiplying by 10 over 3. So my height here is 20, and I need to know what this is. I'm multiplying by 10 over 3. So 10 over 3 times x gives me 20. I'm going to end up dividing by 10 over 3. You know, I don't like the way that looks right here, so I'm going to change it to look like this. 20 divided by 10 over 3. Remember, we do keep, multiply, reciprocal. We're in 7th grade, so we're going to use that word reciprocal. So this is going to become 20 times 3 over 10. And remember, Miss Manning likes to reduce before she multiplies. 20 and 10 have factors of 10 that go into them. So 10 goes into 10 one time, 10 goes into 20 two times. So this gives me 2 times 3 is 6 over 1. So this answer is 6 here. Now, this is not the end here because it asked me what's the difference between the two heights. So the height of this one is 6 centimeters. The height of this one for student 1 is 4 centimeters. So the difference between the two is 2 centimeters. 6 minus 4 equals 2.